How to spin the wheel on TEMU app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TEMU app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you can see the option of view. Click on it. Over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option of on credit and free gift. Now head towards the option of redeem cash. Click on enjoy now. Now from this page you can easily spin the wheel. In order to spin the wheel and get some coin, you have to click on this option of refer friend. With that, different social media platform will pop up. Now you have to use this platform to refer TEMU to your friends, or also you can copy link or send it through message or use referral code. After you send the invitation and your friends accept it, you will be able to spin this wheel. And also you will earn some coins. So this is how you can spin the wheel on TEMU app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.